and welcome to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to get my map, the resource pack, and the FNAF universe mod. So go to Mediafire, search Freddy Fazbear's Family Diner, click this one and click download. I've already downloaded it, so it'll look like this when you open it. And you're gonna copy this one, go to your .minecraft folder by typing up here %appdata%, go to maps. For my saves, I already got it in there. Then for the resource pack, I'm gonna copy, go to resource packs and press right click and paste. I already have it in there, and then FNAF mod zip, you would highlight, copy, go to mods, mods 1.7.10, and you would right click, say paste, and then you would get Minecraft Forage, which you would just go to the Minecraft Forage website, of course. You would press 1.7.10 and press installer. You know all of this, I'm pretty sure you do. But once it's downloaded, actually you're going to press skip. Once it's a 2.1, skip. Forage, it's going to install, you're going to open it, you're going to press it, you're going to make sure it's on install client. Okay. And now you're gonna go to your Minecraft launcher. This 1.7.10 Forge, which you're gonna go to launch options, add, go down, 1.7.10 Forge, save, news, down, Forge, play. It's going to start loading. Okay, so once that's done, you're gonna click mods, and then press FNAF Universe mod. Then click, I already have it, but I'll go down. Go down. Is this the right one? I don't think it is, but you're gonna click that one. Fazbear's Family Diner, I think. Yeah, and you're gonna click play, and then once you're in, there's a little bit of lag, sorry guys. And then you're gonna go to options, resource packs, and you're gonna click the Realistico one. I already have it in there. You're gonna click that, then press done. Then you're gonna click done, and you're good, guys. You have the FNAF universe mod. You have Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, Unwithered Freddy, Funtime Freddy, Baby, Bonnie, Toy Freddy, Toy Chica, Mango, Funtime Freddy, with all the arcade machines, and then you have Foxy too, with the pretty much prize corner. And then you have over here the dining area. Now, guys, just to let you know, this is a pizzeria that I made up, so this is not a copy of FNAF 1, FNAF 2, FNAF 3, FNAF 4, FNAF 6 Location, and FNAF Simulator, or FNAF 6. So, it is not any copy of that. It is my own pizzeria. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember to leave a like, press subscribe, and right next to the subscribe button, there's a notification bell, and just click that. So, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.